According to reports and data, the global building and construction chemicals market size was $71.3 billion in 2021 and is expected to register a revenue CAGR of 6% during the forecast period. Major factors driving market revenue growth include increasing demand for residential and commercial buildings in developing nations, demand for high-quality housing, and increasing government spending for the development of infrastructure. However, the high cost of chemicals, increasing emissions of harmful compounds during the manufacturing process, and unstable economic cycle are some of the factors that are expected to hamper market growth over the forecast period. Chemicals in construction industry have long played a significant part in all types of projects, including residential, commercial, industrial, and other projects. These chemicals are frequently used in various aspects of projects to achieve critical characteristics such as workability and durability.